Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and to our lesson Learning Basic Cantonese. I just want to say thank you so much for keep watching and keep learning with me in this lesson. And if you are not yet subscribed in this channel, so please subscribe and click the notification bell so that ma-update po tayo sa mga coming nating videos. Thank you so much. So let's continue our lesson. Number 1, inform. In Cantonese, tong chi. In our example here is, please inform me in advance. In Cantonese, Mkoi ne yu cho tai cho tong chi ngo. Mkoi ne yu cho tai cho tong chi ngo. So the word here, advance, is yu jo or tai jo. So the umkoi is very familiar. So let's proceed to our second example. I will inform you by phone. In Cantonese, Ngô會打電話通知你. Ngô會打電話通知你. If you remember, the word會that's gathering, and that's another tone, but in this會, that will, is low rising, so sometimes you will be confused. But sometimes the word will hindi nagagamit sa sentence. So you will know that as we go along. Another verb here is joke. In Cantonese, kong siu. Kong siu. In our example here is, everybody thought that he was joking. In Cantonese, ko to iwai koi kong siu. Ko to iwai koi kong siu. So the word koko, that is every, if you remember the previous pa natin naman lesson, koko to is everybody. Koi kong siu. So the word thought, past tense of think, that is ey. So let's go to another verb in Cantonese is know. Very familiar to those who really know this, but let's consider this because there are examples that's very helpful to us. The word know in Cantonese, that is sick. Of course, we know that sick, the higher level sick, and chi, higher level also. So that's why sick and chi the same no, but it depends on the situation, and of course there are different usages. So in our example here is, I know a little Cantonese and Mandarin. In Cantonese, Ngo sik siu siu Quang Tung Hua Tong Po Tong Hua. Ngo sik siu siu Quang Tung Hua Tong Po Tong Hua. So if you remember, the word tong is and of course siu is that's few. Quang Tung Hua, that is Cantonese, and Po Tong Hua, that is Mandarin. Okay, next example is, I don't know him. In Cantonese, Ngo sik koi. Ngo sik koi. The word is not, so sik is no, so sik, I don't know. Do you know where he is? In Cantonese, Ni chim chi koi hai bin do. Ni chim chi koi hai bin do. So it used the word chi here, asking for something knowledge. By the way, I just want to share this to you. It's a hint that I heard from other lessons in the internet, that the usages of sick and chi, the word sick, it mostly refer to skills, something that you, for example, sikong, that's skills, speaking. And the word chi, something knowledge or something but not in the skills. So that's how they use the chi and sik. So another example here is, I don't know his name. So know his name. Name is something you need not to have skills in knowing name. So that's why they use chi here. Ngo chi koi komeng. Ngo chi koi komeng. So I don't know his name. So another example is, do you know how to get to the peak from here? Because this is from Hong Kong. So peak is one of the tourist spots in Hong Kong. Nei sik sik chi chi yao ni do Tim Hoi Santeng. So if you know the word, either way, sick, and Yao Nido is here, Nido, and Tim Hoi is how to get there or how to go there. Something that's the peak, the place in Hong Kong. Okay, another verb here is laugh. Laugh. That is siu. So if you remember the word kong siu in the joke, kong siu, kong speak, and siu is laughed. Another example is don't laugh at me. In Cantonese, ho siu ngo, ho siu ngo. They laughed happily. In Cantonese, koi de siu tak ho hoi sam. Koi de siu tak ho hoi sam. So hoi sam, that is happy. So ho hoi sam, maybe that's very happy. And that's why ho hoi sam. And koi de, of course, plural of pronoun. So let's proceed to another verb is live in English. So in Cantonese, there are two kinds of live, and there's a specific in our note, something behind, or live a place. You are living a place. So something behind, that is lao, lao. So that is lower tone. And live a place is lei hoi, lei hoi. So in our example, I left my umbrella in the taxi. In Cantonese, ngõ lão cho ba che hai taxi. Ngõ lão cho ba che hai taxi. So the word lao jo, that's past tense of live. That's why left in English, lao jo in Cantonese. Pa che, that is che is umbrella, and the word pa, that is a classifier, and hai in the taxi is hai taxi. So taxi or tixi, it's a Cantonese that borrowed from English. So that's why it's similar, something parehas in sound. And number 2 example is my friend has left Hong Kong. In Cantonese, ngõ bằng yào lễ hội cho Hong Kong. Ngõ bằng yào lễ hội cho Hong Kong. So in Cantonese, that is Hong Kong. But in English, Hong Kong. Okay, so another word is land. Parang pahiram. So take note, the word che na mataas is yung che na mataas, that is umbrella, and the che na middle is land, pahiram. So that's why in our example is please lend me a pen. In Cantonese, mkoi che chi pat pe ngo. Mkoi che chi pat pe ngo. So chi pat, that is ball pen, and of course pengo, a pen, just give me, something like that. So che is lend. Okay, so another example is this book is lent, past tense, to me by my friend. In Cantonese, ne punsu hai ngo pang yao che pei ngo. Actually, there's a ke, but you can do away that ke. So ni, this, of course, punsu, that's a book. Hai ngo pang yao. Che, past tense. Wala na yung cho sa past tense ng lent. Maybe it's understood. Che pei ngo. Pei ngo ke. Okay, so in the third example is, excuse me, please give way. Cantonese, that's a mkoy che che. Excuse me na rin yun, yung mkoy che che. So you can, actually, yung literal na understanding of mkoy che che means give way, give way. So that's why, sometimes parang flexible. Depends on the context. Understandable na rin. So another verb is let. Let. So in Cantonese, tang. So let na parang hayaan o payagan. Let me pay. Tang go pay. Another word, tang go cheng. So that's how they use it. Another word is, or an example is, let me answer the phone first. In Cantonese, tango teng tinwa sin. Tango teng tinwa sin. So first is sin. Tinwa is phone, of course. So let's proceed to another verb is learn. Learn. Actually, last time last video, I said that the school and the study is hawk. Also, the word learn, kasi that's synonyms. Learn is hawk. In our example here, how long have you learned Cantonese? So, Nei hok cho Quang Tong Wa Kei Loi. Kei Loi or Kei Noi? Nei hok cho Quang Tong Wa Kei Noi. Okay, another verb is like. No, very familiar. It's very, no, it's really needful to learn this. Like. So in Cantonese, that is chong yi. Chong yi. So, nadaanan na po natin last time, but let's consider our example. What kind of sports do you like? Nei chung yi mat yi wan tong. Nei chung yi mat yi wan tong. Okay, let's proceed to another verb is listen. Listen. Tang. So, nadaanan na rin po natin ito, but let's consider tang. And there, our example is, I can't hear. Please speak louder. In Cantonese, ngo teng to mkoy kong tai sang ti. With the word teng, listen, and in our example, it is used in hear. Pares lang naman listen or hear. That's why teng pa rin. So, to, I can't. So, please, mkoy, speak louder is kong tai sang ti. So, tai seng ti means, you remember the word ti, dagdagan mo. Seng is a sound. So, tai seng ti, means nalakasan mo. So, tai seng ti. Okay, so let's go to another example. I like to listen to music. In Cantonese, ngo chong yi teng yam ngok. Ngo chong yi teng yam ngok. So, that's yam ngok, I think this is music. So, let's proceed to another verb is lock. Lock yung ilagyan ng trangka. Yung Tagalog, I think. Hindi kasi ako Tagalog, I'm Ilonggo. Okay, so in Cantonese, the word lock is so. So, in our example is, I forgot to lock the door. In Cantonese, ngo kay tak so mun. Ngo kay tak so mun. So mun. So, lock the door. So, I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye-bye. See you next time. God bless.